Hey friends, welcome back. It's me, Miss Ashley, and I've got my trusty sidekick, Hank, with me, and today we are going to learn how to make a walking rainbow. For our experiment today, we will need 5 glasses, or as many glasses as you would like, a mixing stick. I have the primary food colors here, but you can use whatever food coloring you'd like. A bunch of water, and 4 paper towels. Now, they'll come out looking like this, and we need to fold them up so that they look like this. So you can just take them, fold them up. There we go. So our first step is to get all of our glasses lined up. Now you want to put them pretty close to each other, just so that they're almost touching. Then we're going to take our water. We're going to fill every other glass. This is a very important step. So slowly add your water. All right, on to the next step. So for my rainbow, I want to go in rainbow order. So I'm going to start with 10 drops of red in my first glass. And then I'm going to move on and take yellow and do the same for yellow. And finally, my blue. All right. Next step is to stir them up. All right. So before we get onto our next step, I am going to ask you guys, pause the video, talk to the adult that you're working with, and see what you think what my next step is going to be. How am I going to make a walking rainbow? Think about it. Now that you've had some time to think about it, I'm going to tell you what our next step is. We're going to take those 4 paper towels that we rolled up earlier, and we are going to take one end, put that in the red, and put the other end into the empty glass. We're going to repeat this step all the way down the line with all 4. Now you can see that something is happening already. So now, pause the video, take a look, see what's happening. Really get in there and find out what's going on. Now friends, this experiment might take a little bit of time. It's not gonna happen instantly. So this is a great time, take a break, maybe get some lunch or just have a snack and talk about the things that you've learned so far. Then come back to it and see what ends up happening. All right, welcome back. I hope you had a good break. Hank and I enjoyed a sun butter and jelly sandwich together. And as you guys can see, our project has started to work. We've started to create the walking rainbow. Now, this process is gonna take a long time. It's not gonna fill up instantly. So I'm gonna encourage you guys to keep this out for a little while longer. But I wanna let you know the science behind it. What's happening here? Basically, as water from our full glass, because remember our red glass was full before, as it touches the paper towel, a process called capillary action happens. Now that's when the water adheres or attaches to the paper towel and slowly but surely moves up the different particles in the paper towel. Now it makes its way all the way from the red and goes down into this cup that used to be empty, but now these 2 colors have mixed together to create orange. And as we move down the line, our yellow goes into mixed with our blue and turns green. So we've created our walking rainbow through this process called capillary action. Now, the really cool thing about capillary action, it happens in these paper towels, but it also happens in plants. This is the exact process of how plants get water from their roots all the way up to the other parts of the plant, like the leaves and the flower. So think about that the next time you're outside exploring. Those plants out there are working really, really hard using capillary action to make sure that water gets to all parts of the plant. And like I said, this is gonna take time. So please, once your rainbow is more complete. Please share pictures with us in the comments. We would love to see what your rainbows look like. Thanks guys, until next time.